So for this video, I'm going to walk you through a breathing exercise. And if you haven't watched my how to breathe video, please do that first, just to make sure that you're getting the most that you can out of this exercise. The most important thing to remember for this is that if it ever gets uncomfortable, just go back to your regular breathing. You don't want it to feel too pressured, or if you feel like you're losing your breath, just go back to your regular breathing and then continue on when you've kind of caught your breath and feel more comfortable. So the exercise we're doing is called square breathing, and it's a way to bring mindfulness to our breathing, but also a way to kind of even out and slow down our breathing. Again, if you ever get uncomfortable, just go back to your normal breathing and then jump back in when you're ready. So to start, take a comfortable seat, with your feet flat on the floor, your hands in your lap, sitting nice and tall in a dignified posture. And just bring attention to your breathing without trying to change it yet. Just noticing if it's easy or difficult, if it's smooth or ragged. Anything that you notice, just noticing that's how it is without trying to change it. So now we will start to actively change our breathing. And to start, I'm going to exhale all your air out through your nose. And then when you inhale, do so for a count of 4. So inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold at the top for 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then hold at the bottom for 1, 2, 3, 4. So I know that's a lot to try all at once. So we'll do it again and just practice on your own as you can. So to start, exhale all your air out. And then I'll count. Inhale through your nose. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. And hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go back to your regular breathing, just not trying to change it, just letting it come easily. And we'll do that a couple more times. I'll count through the first one, and then I'll do it with you, but without counting, so that I can be breathing and holding along with you. So let's do it 3 times together. The first one I'll count, and the next 2 you'll do on your own, again taking a break as you need to and jumping back in when you're ready. So exhale all of your air. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 1, 2, 3, 4. And continue. And you can continue on if you'd like, or you can stop and come back to your regular breathing. If you come back to your regular breathing, just take a moment to check in and see how it feels. And notice if it feels any different from how it did at the beginning of the exercise. So this is a good exercise to use when you're feeling overwhelmed, you can't catch your breath. Again, as long as it is helping you and not feeling like it's making it hard to breathe. can be good to use before like a presentation or a meeting or a date or something that you're feeling anxious about, just to give yourself a minute to focus on your breathing, kind of even it out a little bit, and make sure that you're checking in before and after to kind of notice how that feels and if this is helpful for you. Thank you for breathing with me today. Take care.